Hello, swaggers. Hello, swaggers. Lie down. You're a good boy. Lie down. Good boy. Good boy. Good. That's lie down all the way. Very good. Very proud of you, I am. Very proud of you. Yeah, my toy. You get a toy, but you lie down. I'll tell you what, I'll give you your black stick. Yeah. You rip his head off. You bite his head off. You've been driving me crazy. I try to rest, and so Josh says no. He says, just say no to rest. And he does all sorts of evil things to get me up. All sorts of every manner of evil he does to me. He just wants his dad awake and playing with him. But you're a baby. The baby swaggers. Wag your tail a little bit. Wag your tail a little bit. No tail. Okay. Nice one. You're a good boy. You're such a good boy. Not sure what we're doing, but you like it. You're a lot of work. You're a lot of work. You're gonna kill it. You're gonna kill it, swaggers. Whoop. This is his button. Whoop. Each button does something different. Whoop. That one I paid a price for that one. Oh, I see. Okay, Your Majesty.